experiences with each other family message send wife room and built upon bookshop just wanted my beloved my shining star in the vast experiences of the deserved where dance stretch far and wide my heart remain with you though we are apart separated by distance and time you are the always with me a constant experiences in my thoughts and in my dreams like the flowers that rose through the skies my love for you know no bounds it transcends the seas it presses the night and it shines brighter and then the brightest star you are my guide lighting my beacon in the darkness my safe haven in your eyes my beloved I see a love that is pure a true a love that is infinite as the sands of the deserts as boundless as the herba is kiss you are my everything you are my reason for being my soulmate though the distance between us may seem visit now that my love for bright case the gifts it counts it time and space it brings us closer together with every passing moment forever and always my love you are from the depth of my heart my life centers around you mind me best variation of myself and that I could be you inspire me to do best impel deeply in love with you all love you are every second of my life you are close to my heart please be with me forever and will you your eyes hold the entry my sisters of the universe sing I become mesmerized and you are touch ignites a love that prince swirling for you you have pounded my world with my color of your love and changed in every way for the better they say love is like a gentle rain refreshing renewing everything it touches to my your love is like that so much more it is a powerful euros can diet shift of my feet leaving my breathless and unchanged I there I surrendering my whole heart you want how are you doing I want to inform that as the tradition the month we need to process of marriage certificate so that if you come over to Dubai we are going to get married okay everybody is waiting for the kids are asking about you every day I am tired of staying without you I want to be with you my coin message me now okay so that we are going to discuss how to process the marriage certificate when you look into my eyes you will find my there but when you look into my heart you will find yourself and without you is not warmth living I only feel happy complete when you are the with me time I see your curiosing face and it look into your amazing eyes I fell in love with you more and more and it feels like every heaven to know that we are together ring being with you talking with you and laughing with you that what I enjoy most you are more than just beautiful you are screaming and magnifying I never known how it feels to have better feels all around my stomach before you came into my life Now I experiences it every single day. You are a better part of me. And second half without you I would be probably be lose. You complete me, and right now I could not wish for a better life. Partner, everything you do adds to my happiness. Spread rest from my sadness and multiplies my joy. Do not want to think about that like would be like without you. I love it must whenever.